Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I promised to do a review on the XP-PEN Deco Mini 7 graphics tablet. Today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing as well as a review on this tablet. My name is Dempsey, let's get right into it. I placed an order for the tablet and it took about 2 weeks before it was delivered to me in Nigeria. You can get yours on the XP-PEN official website, Amazon, Jumia or AliExpress. It comes with this cute petite box. Let's open it and see what we've got inside. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the tab in a protective bag. Very sleek, I must say. And underneath that is the warranty card as well as the user manual. Behind it is some of the accessories we are going to be using with this tablet. Let's take that out of the bag and flip it over. We have a protector for the pen area, 8 shortcut keys, and behind it there are 4 grips that helps to prevent your tab from sliding off the work table or wherever you place it on. It is incredibly slim and light with a net weight of about 307 grams. This is a huge plus for people who are always on the go. Let's unwrap the accessories. First off, we have the battery-free stylus pen, aids in writing or drawing without the pen sliding off your hand. It supports a 60-degree tilt with a pressure sensitivity of about 8192 levels. It also comes with this nib removal tool, which can be used to remove the old pen nibs and put the new ones. There are 10 in a pack. Out with the old and in with the new, just like that. Here is the connector cable for your tab to your laptop or your Android device. Yes, you can connect it to an Android device using these jacks right here. You have the option of a Type-C jack and the normal Android jack. First time connecting it to my laptop, I didn't need to install any drivers, it just worked directly, and this was amazing for me. It was smooth to write on, easy to draw on, and it just flowed perfectly. In the middle of the shortcut key, there is a light sensor to indicate if the pen is hovering around the trackpad or writing or drawing on the pad. You can see it clearly in dark areas or at night time. Connecting it to an Android works just about the same way. Just use your Android jack, connect it to your Android device and connect the USB cable to the jack and it works directly. No drivers need to be installed, it just flows well. Enough of the commentary. Now I'll be dropping a time-lapse video of a painting I did using this tablet. Enjoy! Before I forget, this tablet is compatible with Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Krita, and a host of other softwares. It can also be used to take notes in classes and for signatures on business documents. In summary, this tab is very light, portable, and strong. If you are a beginner or a pro and you are looking for something within this value range, then this is a tablet for you. If you've made it this far, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.